Defining the Android and iOS. Nowadays, most of the mobile devices run on Android and iOS. Android is an operating system for mobile devices developed by Google. It is the most commonly used operating system in mobile devices. Google and some other mobile manufacturing companies use the Android as operating system for their devices. Android provides an easy-to-use and friendly environment to their users. The user interface of an Android mobile looks like this. iOS, formerly iPhone OS, is also a popular operating system developed by Apple Inc. for its handheld devices such as iPhone and iPad. The user interface of the iOS looks very professional as shown.